Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Peas is in the season, so let's make some fine dining spring recipe with chicken and peas. This recipe is very easy and you can do it at home for your friends or family. So let's do it. First thing I have to do are baked carrots. So I peel them first and then close them in the tin foil with lemon and fresh thyme. Season them with vegetable oil, salt and pepper and bake them in the oven until they will be soft. Next, I start with pea puree. I peel and chop one onion and I'm gonna sweat it inside the pot for few minutes. By the way, if you don't follow me on Instagram, I totally recommend you do it so you can learn more about cooking and ask me your questions. Then put water in and cook the onions until it's soft. Next are coming double cream and peas in. And I have to bring it to boil again. Last steps are to blitz everything in the blender, check the seasoning, pass it through the chinois, and easy pea puree is done. For my sauce, I use combination of cucumber and yogurt. So I peel cucumber first, chop it to smaller pieces and move it to the blender. Then is coming yogurt in, season it with salt, pepper and lemon juice and blitz everything together. Pass it through the chinois and sauce is done. But keep in mind, you don't want to make it hot. Use it just room temperature. And now it's time to start with the chicken. So I season it properly with salt and black pepper and I'm gonna cook it skin side down until I get nice brown skin. And then flip it, finish it with some butter and fresh thyme and my chicken will be ready to go. And guys, if you like today's recipe, don't forget to give a thumbs up And if you're first time here, click the subscribe button down below so you can learn to cook something new every week. Just give the meat time to rest a little bit, and in meantime I will blanch some fresh peas in boiling water. Carrots are cooked as well in this time, so I will take them out. I will slice my chicken and also cut my carrots in half. And guys, if you would like me to personally help you with your cooking skills, so you can be able to create your own dishes and improve plating once for all, you can apply for my personal online coaching on my website. And if you will be good fit, we will work together on your cooking dreams. Last thing is to drain the peas and season it with salt and green oil. You can see full video how to do the green oil on my channel. I start with pea puree. Then is coming beautifully cooked chicken breast, carrots, baked with lemon and thyme, my sauce from cucumber and yogurt, blanched peas with green oil, and finish the dish with some pea shoots and carrot tops. So I hope you enjoyed today's spring recipe, guys. If you like it, don't forget to give a thumbs up. And if you would like to learn more about fine dining cooking or get my personal online coaching, check out the links in the description down below. Thank you for watching, and I see you soon.